Qadwa cannot be changed by anything. What is required of us is to be content with qadar and be content with qadwa. Be content with qadar and be content with qadwa. Allah says, لله ملك السماوات والأرض يخلق ما يشاء يهب لمن يشاء إناثا ويهب لمن يشاء الذكور أو يزوجهم ذكرانا وإناثا ويجعل من يشاء عقيما. The dominion of the heavens and the earth belong to Allah. يخلق ما يشاء, He creates what He wants. يهب لمن يشاء إناثا, He gives some people female children. وَيَهَبُ لِمَنْ يَشَاءُ الذُّكُورِ, and He gives some people male children. أَوْ يُزَوِّجُهُمْ ذُكْرَانًا وَإِنَاثًا, or He combines between males and females for some people. They have male children and female children. وَيَجْعَلُ مَنْ يَشَاءُ عَقِيمًا, and for the one that He wants, He creates them without children. All of them are Allah's signs, and it's Allah's qadar which cannot be changed. I mean, Allah's qadar which can't be changed. You know, some people have girl. Then someone is going to advise them, no, take a different wife. Take a different wife. This wife has girls. If you take another wife, maybe the wife is going to give you boys. And they take another wife, and the wife also gives girls. And no, take a third one. Girl. And the fourth one, girl. This is qadar. It can't be changed. If Allah wanted you to have males, the males would come from the very first wife you have. It's Allah who determines the sex of the child. The mother has nothing to do with it. Poor woman, you're victimizing her for nothing. She knows nothing about what happens in the womb. She doesn't control it. Allah does that. Someone hasn't made much money in the past couple of years, and then someone whispers in his ear, this woman, very, very bad wife, you continue to be poor if you keep this wife in the home. Divorce her and marry another woman, then things are going to change. Akhil Kareem, your qadar or your qada which Allah has decreed is not held by a woman. You think Allah would write something for you and a certain lady comes into your home to stop you having what Allah wrote for you? Is that sensible? Then this lady has to be more powerful than Allah. If Allah can write wealth for you, you're supposed to be a rich man, and she comes into your home and stops the wealth so that you remain a poor man, then she has to be more powerful than Allah's qada and than Allah's qadar. She has nothing to do with it. Being rich is from Allah, and being poor is from Allah, and everything comes for a reason. Look at the mother of Musa, so confident, so happy to throw the child in the water. Why are you putting your child in the water? Because Allah said I should put my child in the water. Try to imagine today if they say, there's so many thieves now stealing money, right? Money is no longer safe in the house. It's not safe in the banks, because banks are closing down due to the economy, the bad economy. Sometimes you go in the morning to the bank, you find the bank has closed down. You lose your money, and if you put the money in the house, the thieves will steal it. Then someone gives you advice and says, if you want your money to be safe, go and throw it by the roadside. Get your money, throw it by the roadside. It will be safe and it will return to you. You would say to him, you need your head examined. If they said, Allah says in the Quran, when you have nowhere to hide your money, go and throw it in the road, and then it will return to you. You will say you need to have your head examined. But this lady of Iman knew, if Allah said that, then that has to be the truth. And what happened? When the baby was thrown in the water, the current carried the baby where to? To Fir'aun, the man who is killing children, and the current carries the baby to him, and the baby is picked up by the wife of Fir'aun. When the baby is taken to Fir'aun, even Fir'aun is overcome by love for the baby. Allah says in the Quran, وَأَلْقَيْتُ عَلَيْكَ مَحَبَّةً مِّنِّي وَلِتُصْنَعَ عَلَىٰ عَيْنِي. أَلْقَيْتُ عَلَيْكَ مَحَبَّةً مِّنِّي. I threw my love on you. People would love you, see the baby and fall in love with the baby. And Fir'aun fell in love with Musa alayhi salatu wasalam. Who's doing this? Who's doing this? It's Allah. He loves the baby and he says, this is going to be our son. Please find us someone to breastfeed the baby. Someone who can take care of the baby, breastfeed the baby. They bring any woman, the baby refuses. Gather the women in the kingdom, keep trying. You try, the baby refuses. Until the mother comes, and the baby accepts the mother. And Fir'aun says, you'll be suckling the baby from now on, and your salary is such and such. She gets paid to suckle her own baby and be close to the baby and hold the baby again. If she disobeyed Allah, you think this was going to happen? It wasn't going to happen.